So I'm not sure if you guys heard or not, but Mastercard is actually officially putting their cap in the game. They want to, help the banks distribute crypto cards, which is actually pretty amazing. Now we know Visa already has done this. We got the crypto.com card, which is actually Visa already. Is that Coinbase card of Visa as well?
Yeah,
I believe that's Visa as well. So Mastercard is saying, look, we want to get into this crypto space. And in today's video, me and John are going to break down what Mastercard is doing and why would this benefit you. So if this is your first time landing on this channel, my name is Mike.
my name is John.
And we are Crypto Logic,
Logic,
the #1 podcast that keeps you informed on what, how, and most importantly, why to invest in a cryptocurrency, man. So the article that we're going to be reading from today is coming from cointelegraph.com. That is one of the, sites that we go to for our crypto news. So if you guys want to ever just, do some deep diving for yourself, go ahead and check it out. We're not affiliated with them. We just love their content. So Mastercard's latest partnership to help banks distribute crypto cards. Now, the first line states, American fintech giant Mastercard has announced plans to revamp its crypto card program to enable traditional banks and crypto companies to offer cards to its users for transacting with digital assets. Now, if you guys are familiar with the crypto.com card, the little Visa card, the prepaid card, I really enjoy that card, honestly. The crypto.com card, the Visa, where you get like 2% back. Yeah. I mean, depending on which one you actually have. But then today, actually, I got the Coinbase card. And I was really excited about that because it gives you 4%. And I don't think you have to stake anything. I think it's just you pick which one you want to get the amount back in. But currently they only have 2. So I think it's Bitcoin is 1% and then XLM is 4%.
Yeah.
So I'm interested to see, like, as the years or months, maybe years, however long it takes for them to do that, what other cryptocurrencies could you earn a percentage back on with that Coinbase card? That's going to be actually pretty interesting. But I want to ask you, John, what do you think Mastercard, why would you, once Mastercard comes out with their crypto card, right? What would be the incentive that you think in your mind that they would use, like 3% cash back, or, what do you think Mastercard could do in order to get people to say, you know what? Screw Visa, for lack of a better term. Yeah. Visa, don't come after me. But screw Visa. I want to go to Mastercard. What do you think they could have that would be that for them?
Yeah, Mastercard. What they're doing is they're partnering with a lot of crypto exchanges, so companies can use Mastercard to create debit cards or credit cards for their company. So they're just basically opening up the gates to allow partnerships and say, oh, we want to use Mastercard for payment processing, then we accept crypto, we accept we want to do business with you. So that's what's going on. They're allowing like a bridge to be from Mastercard to any other company that wants to use crypto. So here it says that their goal is to make it simpler for partners to convert cryptocurrency to traditional fiat currency. So they're trying to make it interoperable. They want to make it as simple as possible for people to have cash, and they want to move their cash to a digital space, which is getting it into cryptocurrency. So Mastercard is going to allow that to happen, make it easier for companies to issue their own cards to be able to buy crypto. And one of the main things that they're doing is they're partnering with Circle, which is allowing, and Circle's main crypto is a stablecoin, which is USDC. So now when you use whatever Mastercard, it's not gonna be like a one all be all. It's just like Mastercard's gonna allow. There's gonna be a bunch of different companies that have a Mastercard crypto card now. Right. So like we don't even know which ones are gonna come up. They probably don't even exist yet. But when there's some that do exist, some that don't. Like companies that are up right now, you'll see a card that's being issued. Hey, we have a new card, and it's gonna be a Mastercard. So you can basically be able to load money in, and you'll probably be doing it with USDC because using Circle. And then the cool thing is Circle is built on top of XLM or on top of Stellar. So they use XLM to transfer their money back and forth. So it's pretty.
Oh, it gets deeper, huh?
Yeah, and then they partnered. They also partnered with Circle, like I said, Circle, Paxos, which is really cool. Evolve Bank.
Paxos is that a stable coin?
No, I think Paxos is some type of it's a trust company.
Oh, okay.
So they're a
Oh, I'm thinking about Pax Gold.
Oh yeah. They're a regulated blockchain. They basically hold money for people.
Got it.
They're a trust company, so they just hold money. They handle money, crypto money. They're partnered with Metropolitan Commercial Bank. And then they partnered with Uphold. They partnered with BitPay, Apto Payments, 12C Inc., and then Galileo Financial Technology. So right here I see Metropolitan Commercial Bank. They're probably going to issue a crypto debit card, and it's going to be my Mastercard. Uphold.
Yo, Uphold has their own virtual card, right?
I think it's a Mastercard.
But is it a Visa?
I think it's a Mastercard.
It's a Mastercard, right?
I think it's a Mastercard.
Because I mean, I use Uphold only to buy XRP, but right after
it's a Mastercard.
I transfer it out. So
it's a Mastercard.
What is a Mastercard?
Yeah,
nice.
So that's basically what this means. Like Mastercard is just opening up more doors for companies and crypto companies and banks that want to get into crypto. Like we said in the other videos, banks need to allow you to easily access your crypto, or else they won't need you anymore. You won't.
Right.
So Mastercard's like, well, hey, you a small mom and pop shop bank. Hey, you wanna get your customer into crypto? Create a debit card for them. So now they know that they can just load money onto it, and then now they have USDC or whatever. They can buy any other crypto they want. They can get into the crypto space if they don't want cash anymore. So they're opening the gates for institutions that want to use Mastercard, because that's how banks work. Banks don't own Mastercard. They don't own Visa. They partner with Mastercard and Visa to allow them to distribute credit cards and debit cards. And
then the good thing that I actually like about crypto cards, other than like credit cards, is because you only load what you need on that card. You know, it's not like you have a limit of like 1,000. Like you sign up for a Mastercard and they give you $5,000 or whatever it is. This you put your own money in it.
That's what's really interesting is we're so early. Like,
imagine
having you have your job, and then your bank, whatever bank you have, let's just say it's like a small mom and pop shop bank or a credit union or whatever, and they use Mastercard, and then Mastercard's like, oh yeah, with this deal going on, they have a crypto debit card. So now you could change your direct deposit information. That bank will basically fund your money into that account, and you could probably immediately transfer it to USDC. Like,
if they didn't do it for you already.
Yeah, that's the interesting. We don't know what's gonna happen. The fact that they need to do this, or else they're gonna get left behind. It's like a race. And then at this point in time of crypto is like the corporate side and the retail side. Like we're retail side. We're like the consumers, right? And then there's corporate. There's like the people that own the banks, that own the companies. If you think about it, everyone's on even level playing field right now. Both sides are trying to figure out how to use crypto.
Yeah, man.
There's no
I agree.
Everyone's on the same playing field. So if you learn how to invest in it, learn how to use it, you can make a lot of money. And these guys, they're trying to learn how to use it so then they can offer it
as a solution.
They're trying to offer it to regular people.
I mean, the one thing that you learn when you do marketing, anything in marketing, is you have to have a solution. If you bring the solution, then people will essentially FOMO in. They will follow your lead if you give them a solution. That's why I think with regulation coming with the CBDCs and all that, they're going to be the solution for everyone, right? Because the narrative of surrounding around crypto in general is that it's a scam, it's a fraud, all these different things that you hear on the daily that the government is basically pushing out. And but they're gonna look like the knight in shining armor when they come out with their own stable coin, Fed coin, or whatever they're gonna decide to call it. They're gonna look like the knight in shining armor, and they're just trying
to get in front of everybody trying to get into crypto. They want to get in front, like, so then we have to go through them.
Exactly.
So that's why if you invest now, you can be in the front and then get pushed on top of the corporations.
Right.
That's why,
I mean, the reason why I had that analogy, be honest with you, is because Mastercard feels like they're getting left behind in that sense.
Yeah,
like,
Visa's been making moves.
Visa's been making moves, bro. Visa's been making moves, and rightfully so. I mean, dude, Mastercard has a ton of different, credit cards, and from Mastercard, I mean, I like Mastercard, but sometimes they be doing some like extras with the fees. You know what I'm saying? Like if you miss like one payment, they hit you with like a super interest payment. That's one of the things I didn't too much care for with Mastercard.
Like Mastercard isn't accepted at Costco. Costco accepts Visa.
Oh, it's not, huh?
It's like little things like that, like
smaller things.
Yeah.
But I mean,
hey, credit companies use both.
It could be.
It
was the fees. I think the reason why Costco didn't use Mastercard was because the fees were too high. But with crypto, once it becomes a crypto card, fees almost go away because you're not paying.
You probably have fees when you're trying to transverse your money from fiat to USDC.
Yeah, but that's fees that you pay yourself. That's not fees that the company pays Mastercard. You know what I mean? So I mean, I don't know. It's pretty interesting, guys. I mean,
we do. We do need regulations for obviously stablecoins too, because then stablecoins is the bridge between fiat and crypto. Because if you want to get into crypto, but then let's say you don't know which one to invest in yet, but you want to get your money into crypto already,
right?
So you can transfer anything quick. You just buy a stablecoin. It keeps it flush. Price doesn't go up and down. Then when you're ready to make a move, you can move from stablecoin to whatever crypto you want,
right?
Whatever you believe in, whatever you want to use it for, etc. And then whenever you have profits or whatever, and you take it out, you don't have to go directly to fiat. You can just go back down to the stablecoin, and you're still in the digital, space because you're in a stablecoin, and you can move it anywhere you want to any wallet you want, or if you want to pay somebody in something in crypto. Like that's why I feel like we do need stablecoins, and it's not gonna, even if it gets regulated, it's not gonna affect the crypto markets. Well, we need it.
I think the regulation. I think the regulation is needed in stablecoins, honestly, because then, like with the whole thing that's going on with the USDT or whatever, a lot of people are uncertain about that portion. Like, what is it going to be there? Is my money going to be there? I'm freaking out.
Yeah, USDT lied. They said that they had like millions of dollars that they created a freaking empty shoe. Like it was like something that's a box that said, hey, there's something in this box, and in reality there's nothing in this box. So they said, here's a box that's worth this amount. So people were like, oh cool. So they basically got money from that USDT. People were buying USDT to have USDT when there's nothing in that box. And then with that real money, then they put it in the box. They put, so they made, and they profited obviously too. There's like a part I'm missing, but they profited from that initial amount of people that bought USDT. They pocketed some money, but then their whole system was based off of like a lie in a sense. There was no money in the beginning.
Yeah, it was like a true lie.
They said, it was like a delayed truth. They were like, oh, there's $15 billion of USD of thing that we're backed by. So they got, let's say, $17 billion. Damn, $17 billion worth of USDT. They put that $15 billion in as a back, and then they pocketed $2 billion. I'm just throwing random numbers, but that's what they did.
Right.
So that's why they're under fire.
That's why we honestly, me and John, both really want the regulations for the stable coins, because it's only going to help you. It's only going to help the crypto space in general, because now people are going to feel safe to put their money that's going to be backed by something that it can't just overnight just be gone. Not saying that will happen currently now, but there's a lot of uncertainty with which stable coin is the best one. I mean, you got USDT, you got USDC, you got Pax Gold, you got DAI, you got
there's True USD.
There's a lot, bro, and it's like, which one do you use?
Yeah, and then regulation allows companies to not. You can't just on USDC a stable coin. You can't just pop up out of nowhere.
Right.
There needs to be regulation. They needs to know, okay, what is this backed by? Like they have to go through the government or SEC or whatever to get approval to launch and stuff like that. So you can't just make we got this stable coin. It's backed by gold. It's like,
yeah, it's pretty interesting, guys. But honestly, we really want to bring you guys this news because we feel like it's really good, But I guess our question that we want to ask you guys at home is when you guys start to see a lot more Mastercards pop up in the crypto space, will you be the first ones to sign up for it, or would you rather kind of wait to see what's really going on with Mastercard? Write it down in the comment section down below and let us know. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We do hope you guys found some value. If you did, my voice is dying. If you did, please smash that like button, man. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. God bless. Be safe. Peace.